In this video, I will be showing you how to add code blocks to your Gamma AI slides. Let's get started. First, I'm going to select the presentation I want to work on from my dashboard. I'll click on this deck titled Video AI Tools and Platforms. While the editor loads, I can see my existing slides on the left-hand side. I want to add a brand new section, so I'll click the plus icon to create a fresh card. Now that I have a blank space ready, I'll move over to the toolbar on the right side of the screen. I'm looking for the text elements, so I'll click on the icon labeled Basic Blocks. This opens up a variety of formatting options. I'll scroll down past the callout boxes until I find the interactive section. There it is, the code block. I'll simply click and drag that directly onto my slide. Once the block is in place, I can click inside to add my content. In this case, I'm pasting in a Python script for an AI sentiment analysis model. Notice how Gamma automatically formats the text. To make it even better, I can go to the top right of the code block and click the language dropdown. I have plenty of options here from C++ and JSON to Bash and Markdown. I'll click through a few just to see the different syntax highlighting styles. For this tutorial, I'll set it back to Python so the code looks perfectly organized and professional. And there you have it. That's the complete process of adding code blocks to Gamma AI slides.